In a series of videos, we are learning HTTP client module. In the previous video, we understood that HTTP client internally uses XML HTTP request to make the backend call. The underlying network protocol used by XML HTTP request to send and receive data is HTTP protocol. In this video, we will see how data is transferred between front-end and backend at HTTP protocol level. I'm going to use a Visual Studio Code extension to demonstrate how HTTP protocol works. In my Visual Studio Code, I am opening extensions using the icon available in the left-hand side. In the currently installed extensions, I have an extension named REST Client. I did not install this extension. It was available by default when I was installing Visual Studio Code. If you don't have this extension installed, search for REST Client, click on REST Client, which will display its details in the right hand side. Check if the extension logo matches with this logo and click the install button to get the extension installed. Now I will show you how to make REST API call using this extension. I am clicking on File Explorer icon in Visual Studio Code. In the root folder, I am creating a new file named countries.http. The REST client extension identifies files with the HTTP extension and provides some special features. Hence, I have provided this file name with the extension as HTTP. In this file, I am typing get in uppercase followed by a space and then typing /countries followed by a space and then typing http:/1.1. After typing this line, we can see a send request option displayed above this line. The send request option is the special feature provided by REST client extension to initiate the request to the server. This is the reason why the file is named with HTTP extension. In the next line, I am typing host : followed by a space and including localhost : 3000. Here, localhost : 3000 represents the REST API where the backend JSON server is running. This text typed in this file is called as HTTP request. By typing these two lines, the HTTP request format is now defined as per the rules of HTTP protocol. When I click on send request, the REST client extension will send this text to the JSON server. The JSON server is already started and I am clicking on send request. We can see a new window opened in the right hand side. In the newly opened right hand side window, we can see the response received from the JSON server. This entire response text received is called as HTTP response. In the bottom section of the response text, we can see the array of countries in JSON format. I have now demonstrated how to send a HTTP request using REST client extension, and we have seen the HTTP response data sent back by the server. I would recommend you to try this HTTP request in your Visual Studio Code using REST client extension. In the next video, we will have a detailed look into the HTTP protocol.